Defense. We have got different organizations of the DRDO like Aeronautical Development Establishment, Bengaluru, Advanced Numerical Research and Analysis Group, Hyderabad, Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Bengaluru, Defense Electronics Application Laboratory, Dehradun, etc. on board with us as the final buyers. They need specific machinery to be imported from Switzerland, Spain, Germany, Israel, etc. Vacancies are to be grabbed for becoming the registered vendor for these esteemed organizations. Magnitech Engineers is all geared up to take you there and take care of all the rigmarole involved. You have to invest knowing that your investment will have a very short gestation period and you can start the order's execution in as less as 24 hours. The entire process becomes seamlessly swift with us playing a perfect bridge between you and these top-tier organizations. After ascertaining the requirement at an organization, we make its representatives coordinate with the foreign suppliers. We obtain budgetary offer in your favor, that is the registered vendor, submitted to the end user, that is the organization, and subsequently obtain sanctions and tender release from it. We help you sail through the technical and financial committee meetings, qualify for the tender and win the contract for the supply. You have to submit a bank guarantee to the organization and you get the all-important purchase orders from it. You, as a registered vendor, assign the orders to the supporting vendors. They have to confirm the deal on mail and simultaneously submit the specified bank guarantee to you. We get you established a defined synchronization between the foreign suppliers and the supporting vendors so that a proper pro forma invoice for the import items is prepared in favor of the supporting vendors, and accordingly terms and conditions are followed and the agreed payment is transferred to the foreign suppliers. Items are delivered on the address specified by you and the billing is made on the supporting vendors. Adhering to the high sea sale agreement between you and the supporting vendors, they collect PDCs against the endorsement and hand you over high sea sale documents. We assist you in acquiring custom duty exemption certificate from the organization which allows you to get the items cleared from customs. In some cases, you may have to pay the requisite custom duty to get the items cleared. Finally, you submit the imported items to the organization and obtain the inspection report with the clearance, which follows with the agreed payment transfer in your favor. Magnitech Engineers steers you through this entire series of events without a glitch. Access to these organizations and moreover investment in projects proffered by them is generally implausible and not obtainable. But Magnitech Engineers facilitates you to procure those deals without much ado, helps you to invest in one of the most secured businesses and become the registered vendors, and renders you a chance to interact, interplay and intermingle in the top echelons of the Indian industrial and trade spectrum. Magnitech Engineers invites you with a lifetime opportunity wrapped in the shape of a smooth business. You dare to dream and sky is the limit.